Hi guys, I am Joy. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I make this 3-ingredient sponge cake. If you want to know how I make this spongy, fluffy cake with only 3 simple ingredients, just stay tuned. I'll be right back after the break. Let's make it together. Before we start, preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade. So let's get started. In a separate bowl, I'm going to crack 3 raw eggs. Transfer the eggs to the mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Then whisk them together until they are creamy and fluffy. Take a look at this. This is the texture we are looking for. Very fluffy and creamy. I'm going to sieve in 90 grams of all-purpose flour. With the help of my spatula, I'm going to mix them well until they are smooth, using folding method. Now, as you can see that the batter is creamy and fluffy. At this point, I'm going to pour the batter into a small round cake pan. As you are watching this video, I would like you to use this opportunity to click on that red button that says subscribe and activate your notification bell. In the option, select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for doing this. Tap to remove the bubbles, then transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. 30 minutes later, here is the cake, golden brown in color, well baked. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes, then flip it over on a cooling rack. Peel off the parchment paper. Then turn it over again. My dear, you can see that this cake is very soft and fluffy. Wow, with only 3 ingredients. Let's cut through this cake and see how the inside looks like. Wow, guys, this is absolutely delicious. Very fluffy, spongy. Oh my dear, even the aroma is so yummy. I wish you would try this recipe. If you do, please tag me on my Instagram page, which I will put in the description box. I appreciate if this is your first time of stopping by. Please do subscribe and like this video. In the comment section, tell me what you think about this cake. Till I meet you next time, remain blessed and eat healthy. Thank you.